Hey everyone, my name's Clayton.
And I'm Karsten, and we are the Plumbing Gurus. And on this channel, we're striving to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices.
And if you're new to our channel, maybe consider smashing that subscribe button and also hit that little bell so you can be notified on any videos that we come out with.
And we hope you get some value out of this one.
In this video, we're going to be showing you how to install a smart thermostat in your house. Now, before we get started, what we've done here is we've taken the cover off of the humidistat here, and we've taken the cover off of the thermostat here. So, like I was saying, before we get started, what we want to do is we want to get a picture of everything that's on here, or where the wires are connected to on here. So what I do is I'll just grab my smartphone here, and I'll just snap a picture for my own self of the wiring. Done. Now there's my records of the wiring. So now what I want to do is I want to go down to the basement and I want to shut the power off to the basement, because this blue one here is connected to the C, and that's sending low voltage power, 24 VAC power to here. So if I hit that wire against something, there's a chance that I might blow the transformer in the furnace. So I don't want to do that. So let's be safe and let's go down and shut the furnace off. All right, let's shut the power off to this furnace. Well, where is it? Okay, well, what you want to do is what they'll usually have is either a BX wire, as you can see here, which is holding 120 volts. So if you trace that, there'll always be a switch next to the furnace where you can shut it off. So we can trace it up here. Oh, there it is right there. There's a switch. Broomstick. Thank you. If we shut this off here, perfect. We can hear the furnace is shut off. No power. Let's go up to the thermostat and make sure we have no power. All right, so this kit here comes with a little stickers that you could use to mark your wires so you know what's what. And it's also nice, like I said, we have a picture of it before as well, so it's always nice to have that as a backup as well. So as you can see here, we have everything labeled on here so we know what to put on our new thermostat that we're going to be putting on. All right, so next step, if you haven't already purchased one of these, check in the link in the description below. Okay, so now that we've got our plate on, what we have here is we have a renovation plate. So this plate is designed to cover screw holes, because some thermostats are a little bigger than these new sleek ones, which are a little smaller. So we have the renovation plate behind, and we have the back of the thermostat mounted to the renovation plate right here. So then the next thing that we have here is we'll just adjust it here so that it's nice and level. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start plugging in the wires. Now this process is really easy. So what we did here is we have a humidistat on top of here, which we've taken the wires out of here and we've relocated them to here to our smart thermostat. Now this smart thermostat is going to also adjust the humidity as well in the house. And those two are ACC minus and ACC plus. So what we're going to do is I'm going to actually start with those because I know what those wires are and they're just easy to kind of maneuver a little bit. And then we'll get into the control for the actual thermostat itself. Let's get into this. All right, so let's go ahead and put the front of the thermostat on. What we'll do is we'll just slide it on just like that, click it right into place. Oh no, it's not turning on. I wonder why. Probably because you haven't subscribed yet. All right, let's go turn the power on down at the furnace. All right, so now that we've got power to the unit here, we just want to go through and follow all the setup procedures that the thermostat has. You can set it up to your phone. It's really neat that way. So yeah, so you just want to make sure that you got everything set properly. That's how you install an Ecobee 4. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't smashed that subscribe button, don't forget, please smash that subscribe button. I'd like to give a shout out to all the subscribers we have. Thank you very much for all the love and support that you guys have given us. It keeps us motivated to create more videos just like this one to keep you guys all informed on all the proper plumbing practices that we here like to use. Like I said, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you guys got something out of this one. Till next time, you guys all take care. See you on the next one.